Good morning everyone. Now today we will do some of the other numericals related with equations of motion. Before doing that, let's take a quick revise of the three equations of motion. What are that? First one is V is equals to U plus AT. Second is S is equals to UT plus half AT square. Third is V square minus U square is equals to 2AS, where U is initial velocity, V is final velocity, T is the time, and S is displacement, and sometimes it's called distance also. There are three things which we have to remember whenever we are solving these numericals. What are that? If a body starts from rest, its initial velocity will be 0. If a body comes to at rest, its final velocity will be 0. And if a body moves with uniform velocity, its acceleration will be 0. Now, by practicing these numericals, we have to learn that which equation we have to apply in numericals. जब हम इसको बार बार प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो हम ये सीखेंगे कि हमें किस न्यूमेरिकल में कौन सी इक्वेशन का यूज़ करना है. Now let's start. So the first numerical is a racing car has a uniform acceleration of 4 meter per second square. What distance will it cover in 10 seconds after the start? Now I have told you earlier also that before starting the numericals, first of all we should write the given material. Whatever given in the numerical, we should write it first. So let's see what is given in the numerical. A racing car has a uniform acceleration of A, 4 meter per second square. So here acceleration is given, which is 4. What distance will it cover? That means S we have to find. Time is T, 10 seconds. And after the start, it means initial velocity is 0. So U is 0, T is 10, A is 4, and S we have to find. So which equation we should use? Obviously, we cannot use first equation of motion. V is equals to U plus AT, because in that there is no symbol of distance. कोई भी distance का symbol उसमें नहीं है. So we are using second equation of motion here, which is S is equals to UT plus half AT square. Putting all the values into this equation, S is equals to U, which is 0, multiply 10, plus half A, which is 0, into 10 ka square. When you will solve it, 10 multiply 0, it will turn into 0, and the value of distance will come out to be 200 meter. Next numerical, a scooter moving at a speed of 10 meter per second is stopped by applying brakes, which produces a uniform acceleration of minus 0.5 meter per second square. How much distance will it cover by the scooter before it stops? Now first of all, we will write the given matter. They are saying that a scooter moving at a speed of 10 meter per second. That means initial velocity U is given 10 meter per second. Is stopped, रुक गया. That means final velocity becomes 0. Acceleration is minus 0.5 meter per second square. We have to find out S. Now here we are applying the third equation of motion. V square is equals to U square plus 2AS. The value of V is 0. The value of U is 10 plus 2. The value of A is minus 0.5 into S. The square of 10 will be 100. 0.5 multiply 2 will be 1. When we will take S in the left hand side, it will be changed into plus, positive sign, and here the value of distance is 100 meter. Moving towards the next numerical, third one. A car traveling at 20 km per hour speeds up to 60 km per hour in 6 seconds. What is the acceleration? Here initial velocity is given, which is 20 km per hour. Final velocity is given, which is 60 km per hour, and time is given, which is 6 seconds. Now it is very clear now that first we have to convert both the speed into meter per second, because the time in second and everything should be in 1 unit. So to convert 20 kilometer per hour into meter per second, first we will multiply it by 5 upon 18. This I have explained yesterday also, that 1 kilometer has 1000 meter and 1 hour has 3600 second, and 1000 upon 3600, when you will cut it down, it will be changed into 5 upon 18. So from now we will use the direct value 5 upon 18, not 1000 upon 3600. So when you will solve it, it will comes out to be 50 upon 9 meter per second. You can divide it also, but this makes our calculation easier when we will keep it in like the P upon Q form, 50 upon 9. इससे हमारी calculation easy हो जाएगी. Now V 60 multiply 5 upon 18. When we will cut it, it will change into 150 upon 9. Using the first equation of motion, V is equals to U plus AT. Putting the value of V, U and T. The value of V is 150 upon 9. The value of U is 50 upon 9. The value of time is 6. 50 upon 9, when going left hand side, it will turns into minus. Taking LCM of 9, 150 minus 50 will be equals to 100. 100 upon 9 equals to 6A. Anything which is in multiply will go in divide. So A is equals to 100 upon 9 multiply 6. So 100 upon 54, when you will divide it, 54 by 100, it will comes out to be 1.85. So the value of acceleration from here comes out to be 1.85 meter per second square. Revise all these numericals. Thank you.